Okay, for question 51, on page 463, it says that a huge freestanding baseball bat sculpture stands outside a sports museum in Louisville, Kentucky. It was patterned after Babe Ruth's 35-inch bat. The sculpture is 120 feet long. It says to round your answers for the next three questions to the nearest tenth of an inch. For question 51, it says how long is the sculpture in inches? Well, that's just very simple multiplication. 120 feet. There are 12 inches in each foot, so all we're going to do is take 120. We're going to multiply it by 12. And when we do so, what we get is 1,440 inches. So that's question 51. Alright, for question 52. For question 52, it says the diameter of the sculpture near the base is 9 feet. Estimate the corresponding diameter of Babe Ruth's bat. Well, in order to do that, we need the scale factor, or the ratio of the bat to the sculpture. Well, what we know is that the actual bat was 35 inches, and the sculpture in the same units was 1,440 inches. It'll probably be easy in your multiplication if you wanted to go ahead and reduce that. And these can both be reduced by 5. And when you do so, try to use fluid math here. It's 7 over 288. Okay. So that's our scale factor. Alright, what we have is the actual bat on top, the sculpture on the bottom. So when it says that the diameter of the sculpture near the base is 9 feet, we want to estimate the corresponding diameter of Babe Ruth's bat. Now, what we're dealing with is inches. We want all of our values to be in the same unit. So when it says 9 feet, and we're talking about the sculpture is on the bottom, what we do is 9 times 12. What that gives us is 108. And we're looking for the corresponding value or length or measurement of the diameter of the bat handle. So that's how we set up our proportion. Okay, bat over sculpture equals bat over sculpture. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply, and we get 288x equals 7 times 108. So then what we do is we take 7 times 108, and then we divide that value of 756 by 288, and what we get, rounded to the nearest tenth, they said, is approximately 2.6 inches. And for question 53, what it says is diameter of the handle of the sculpture is 3.5 feet. Estimate the diameter of the handle of Babe Ruth's bat. Alright, same concept again. We're going to use this same ratio of 7 over 288. Again, this is bat over sculpture. It says the diameter of the handle of the sculpture is 3.5 feet. Estimate the diameter of the handle. Again, we need to convert feet, 3.5 feet, to inches. So when we multiply 3.5 times 12, 3 times 12 is 36, plus 6 is 42. So this is going to be 42. Again, we're looking for the diameter of the handle of the bat. So again, we cross multiply, and then we solve. So we have 7 times 42. We take 294. And we divide it by 288. Looks like it's going to be approximately 1. And round to the nearest tenth, it is going to be 1. So for 53, x is approximately 1. So there you have your 3 answers.